Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to hide friends list on Facebook. So to hide your Facebook friends list, so open Facebook app, then tap your profile icon in the corner. Next, scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Then select settings. Now from here, scroll to audience and visibility and tap on how people find and contact you. Click on that. Then from here, so tap on who can see your friends list. Then select only me. If it is set to public, select only me. Or if you can't find it, so you may need to tap see all and you should see only me in here. So select that and click on save. And that's basically it. You can also change the visibility of who can send you friend request. Just click that and you can set it to friends of friends only and click on save. So people will always be able to see mutual friends when they visit your profile. If you want to secure more of your account, you can also hide your past posts from the public. You can block strangers from looking you up by phone number or email, and you can prevent your profile from showing up on Google search. And that's basically it. So if you're using computer or desktop, you can just click your profile picture on Facebook and then select settings and privacy, then click settings, then click privacy in the left menu and find and contact you. Then next to who can see your friends list, click edit and choose only me. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.